that's linked. Sorry. The link here, for example, this is the link. This is the text that when you click it, it will lead to the link we just created on wikipedia.org. So in this case, in particular, the anchor text is link. But for SEO purposes, if you watch my movies on SEO, you'll learn that it's a important concept to get a lot of your of external websites having links with anchor text, having your keyword in the anchor text. So Google sees that your keyword is important. So in this case, well, Wikipedia is a very, very big site, but in this case, if Wikipedia was trying to build links, well, this link here wouldn't be much value to them. And just for an example of how powerful anchor text is, let's type in the word here in Google, click here. So guess what's the first page? Adobe.com. Can you guess why is that? It's pretty funny actually, because you know that Adobe makes the format PDF and Acrobat Reader, and a lot of people put on their websites click here to get a Acrobat Reader to read the PDF file. So the click here anchor text is all over the place with a link back to the Adobe website to download the PDF reader. So this is why this is the first page, because Adobe is not about, there's nothing on adobe.com about the word click here, but on other websites on the internet there's a lot of links having the text click here leading to adobe.com. So you can see the power of that, eh? Alright, so how do you define anchor text? How do you do that? And this is one of the things that you'll have to do sometimes, that the anchors, you'll have to do them yourself. You won't have the help of WordPress all the time. When you're putting links in other websites, if you're building blogs elsewhere, if you're putting links in let's say a signature on a profile you have, oftentimes you won't have like the visual thingy to help you, so you have to create it from scratch. But I'll show you, it's pretty easy. So it's a tag like the strong or the italic, and you see something interesting here, because I was out of I forgot what was the new tag for italic, because like I said, like the B tag for bold was replaced by strong. But the italic tag, when I was telling you earlier on, I forgot what it was. But luckily for me, WordPress changed it, and it's EM for emphasis. And it's it's good, because I forgot about this one. But if you ever need a reminder of everything, or if you want to learn more, just go to w3schools.com. So whenever well, I got my books, I got my because I used to be like a web designer, but I like to go on w3schools.com, and you can have a reference of every HTML and CSS elements. So let's say here you just click on Learn HTML, and you can have the reference here, the HTML tag list, and if you're looking for something, it'll be there. So some of them are deprecated, some of them are not advised to use. But you'll be able to find like the define strong text, and you can click on it and you'll have a description. You can try it yourself, usage, stuff like that. So W3 Schools is a good place to go when you're stuck with something. Alright, back to our anchor text. So to define a link or an anchor, the tag is just A for anchor, and you put in your I'll just check in my my hard drive. I'm having okay, I'm fine. You put in, this is called an attribute, because tags can have attributes, and attributes are pretty fine. But one of the attribute of the anchor tag is the href, and actually maybe you won't ever use the a tag without the href, so it'll always be like that, at least. Okay, the href is where you put your URL. So let's do let's say Adobe. Adobe will be our anchor text for this one, and then we'll put in our address with everything with the HTTP and colon // don't forget that, it's important, and then adobe.com. So if you go here we go. So if we update the article and go to our page and refresh, adobe.com, you see on the bottom of the page, if we click, it goes to adobe.com. Alright, so now you know how to create an anchor text. And just before we go on, once thing gets more complicated, like you understand, like you can put text before the link, like some text here, the end. So if you put tags in tags, like nested tags, this is a perfect way to go. But be aware on the order you open them, so you close them in the same order. So let's say I open like a strong here, and I close the strong like that. But I also want to make it italic, like bold and italic. I open the emphasis, and I don't close the emphasis here, I close it here. Because it has to be closed in the same order. But of course I could close it later. I could close it after the word end. So that it makes all of this bold and italic, but this just italic. But you can't close it before the strong. It will work most of the time, but you could have problems in the end. So this is our anchor text. And okay, now next concept is no-follow links. So you might have heard about those dreaded links, the no-follow links. If you don't know what it means, basically it means that a link that it's an instruction for search engines not to follow those links, and not to take those links for account when crawling websites. So for example, if I got this is a Wikipedia article on HTML, and actually you could read it if you need any more information. But some of the links, all the external links in Wikipedia are no follow, and the reason for that is to prevent from people putting links, trying to putting links to advertise their own websites, because you know that Wikipedia is open for general public, and it gets kind of crazy because of course there's some people editing links that don't have a place there, but still there's always going to be people trying to put their own links. So if you put a link in Wikipedia, it won't give any like link, what we call link juice to your website. It won't give credit to your website. But still, if you're able to put a link to a valuable content of yours on the internet on Wikipedia, it could still be very good, because Wikipedia is very popular. There's a lot of traffic. But okay, I got a little tool here. Actually, if you go in the article section of the Earn Money on the Internet.org website, I'll put up I'll put up a video about the different tools, different plugins I use in Firefox, so you'll know what kind of tools I use, and all of them are free. So this one here, I use it to highlight the no-follow links. So if you click it, and you see these are external links leading to other pages on the web, and they're highlighted. If I remove this, you see now it's like nothing. So those links here won't give credit to the page that the link end up to, and those won't either. But all the links inside Wikipedia will are passing link juice, so these are good for